Hi everybody.
I believe that the institutional adoption of digital assets is very much happening now.
I think the security tokens have a great future because I think these two worlds will be merging, the traditional investment world and the crypto world.
Clearly seen the engagement of central banks and national governments, and I think we've seen an appreciation that this is not about a technology, it's about completing the creation of a digital world, and that native digital currencies and assets are definitely coming. And I think it's very exciting that Valentin and all of the Latoken team have brought SpaceX to London. I think that's a very exciting thing.
I have seen the SpaceX deal being offered, and it certainly caught my attention. I think lots of people look to SpaceX as a fantastic company. They look at it as a great opportunity, and space, it's the sort of next realm people want to go to.
Tokenization is something that you cannot avoid in the next coming years because it will create a number of possibilities from one industry to the other, which is going to be enormous. When you mention SpaceX and all that, the big startups which are entering the space aggressively, it's always good for us. It's always good for the crypto community, for the blockchain community, for the STO, IEO community, because it creates, again, mass adoption. This is what we need. We need mass adoption.
Within the next 12 months, I think you're going to start to see the first STOs being done as an IEO. So you're going to see STOs being launched on exchanges directly.
The development of the blockchain is really exciting from a number of different perspectives. First is the introduction or possibility of Libra and the first sort of corporate-backed global stablecoin is very exciting. There's a lot of opportunities.